Today we are here with a new video, and in this video we'll cross this level using new methods. We are move forward by choosing this vehicle. First of all, we will park the start button, and while hitting this balls, we do not waste any time, and we do not have to get out and do not come back. It fell down and start again. Let's go. We quickly cross the road and ahead we will see the bridge. We will cross this bridge very quickly. While going straight down, we will move towards the second round. Cross this round. It has come out. We will cross to very quickly. Obviously, no. We will not waste time and we leave this car. We will go to the end and cross this round with great difficulty. This round has not been crossed by me before. We have crossed this round up out. We brake on it. The car jump at break speed. Now we are come to the other side. Let's see where we will finish from the third side. The third side round is not starting. What happened? Go back. We have go quickly. Let's go back. No, are we going inside the hole? Go back immediately. Go. What happened to the car? The car is not moving. Hi. The car is not broken. Let's go start again. Do not stop. Now we are reached quickly. We have been wasting time everywhere. Like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Interesting funny videos, gaming videos. This video is now this gaming video. Hi, this car is not broken. Let's see again. Do not stop now. We are moving. Now we have reached quickly. We have been wasting time everywhere. We are saying that the less time we have more time we are wasting. We quickly faster. These holes we in I are the direct ones. That is the third one. I will wait. You are approached the roundabout. That part is the most difficult to do. There is only one car. This is very dangerous. It overturns. Done. It does not straight. It has been gone straight. That the part is the most difficult to do. There is only one car. It is very dangerous. It overturns. Then it does not go straight. It has gone straight. Let's get out. Oh, the roundabout is gone. Let's go. It's quickly. Let's go climb up. It's gone now. How we will cross it? We have crossed it with great difficulty before. Let's see how we cross it. It is right. No, it's gone. We will not stop for a moment with any one things. Now we will waste on time. The car jumped at a break speed. Now we are come to the other side. Let's see where we will finish from the third side. The third side round is not starting. What happened? I will select a one motorbike. Now that we have started a third new round, we have seen outside. We will ride the bike quickly. We will cross this round. this road. We have done half the road part. After that, I will pack the rest of the game for this third round. I said let's cross it quickly without saying anything. What color is this? Come on man, this is no one the opens it does not fail down. Let's cross it. Okay. Now let's cross it. Let's go to the second round. Let's move on quickly so that whatever is there not difficult. We have enough time. It's our and it's fun to be. Well, does any of you know the name of this game? If you know the name, please answer the comments. And no car is stuck. Let's start. It's the very dangerous bike. This bike is not good. It's not good. Let's see how will the cross. It pass. It pass. It pass. It's pass. We are going toward the hole from here. No, it's not going to fail. It's going to fail. We will stop to see. No, we will say it's gone. Now we are cross quickly. We do not have the stop anything. Do we play game or not? One, the bike is falling down. It does not even go straight. How will I straight it? We will have to start again. Oh, it start again. It fell down from here. Start the third level. The fourth level is here. Let's start. It's source. I will cross smoothly. I did not happen. We get love like this. Let's go. It's cross now. It has to go flying. It does not want to fail. Then it left is stuck. Now what should I do about it? The bike going hit is again and again. Let's finish the video. The bike is going to hit us again and again. Let's see how close now. It has to go flying. We just don't know want to fail. Does not in the left one is stuck now. What should do about it? The bike is going to hit us again and again. Oh, let's finish the video. The second part of it is here. We will start the video from here again. Okay, part 2 will come tomorrow. Billing. The part second is up here tomorrow. Bye. The second part of it is here. We will start the video from here again. Okay, part 2 will come tomorrow. Billing. The part second is up here tomorrow. Bye.